The DEFS model is a framework for providing a formal structure for defining tags. So in Haystack, tags are what we call metadata. Tags have existed in Haystack since the beginning, and a tag is essentially a name-value pair. So I have a tag that has a name and it can have a value. An example of this is the unit tag. The unit tag defines the quantity of measurement for a particular phenomenon. Air temperature will be 1, so the unit tag would have a value of C, or degrees C for Celsius, or degrees F for Fahrenheit. So that's an example of a tag. In Haystack, in the current Haystack standards, the definition and the structure of how these tags are defined has not been formalized. In Haystack 4, we define a formalized structure for defining what a tag name is and what the tag means and how it relates to other tags. And so this is quite important for when we want to develop that richer taxonomy and ontology to work with semantic models that are in Haystack. So subtyping is now how we start to explore this idea of taxonomy. And so a taxonomy is really just a fancy word to say we're going to start organizing all of our tags, all of our defs, into a structure, a formal structure of some kind. And in our case, we use a tree structure. And so the tree structure introduces this idea of having a type or a supertype and then other subtypes beneath that. An example of that would be the tag that defines water. Okay, so water is a medium that is used in buildings for HVAC systems. We define water as a subtype of liquid, and there may be other liquids, and so we could have a different type of liquid also being a subtype of liquid. Conversely, we would say that liquid is a supertype of water, and so we could search for all liquids in a system and then get back all the different references to different types of liquids. Beyond that, what we're building up now is this tree structure idea, and we can say, well, a liquid is also a type of fluid. And so by referencing this tree structure and this subtype and supertype hierarchy, we can now create the powerful relationships between different types of fluids, for example, or other phenomena that we can touch, feel, measure, see, and understand these in a much clearer way, how they relate to each other.